Hey divas, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So happy to have you here. So today, of course, we're gonna be doing some box braids. Yes, y'all, this is not a wig. This is my own hair that I've braided, and I'm so excited to show you guys a tutorial. So it's been like almost a year since I've done box braids on my channel, and I could tell y'all miss the box braids because you guys have been commenting on my older box braid videos, asking questions, all that good stuff. And so today I'm going to be answering some of those questions. Some of the answers to your questions are going to be throughout the videos, and then some is going to be to the end, like stuff that you need to know about, you know, the hair that I use and stuff like that. So make sure you tune in for that. If you guys want to see how I did this style, definitely stay tuned. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair, and I'm gonna be sectioning it off into four, two in the front, two in the back. Normally when it's longer I will do two in the front and one in the back, but it's gonna look like I have three in the back just because my hair tie couldn't hold one of the section all to itself, so I had to separate that into two. Next, I'm adding some jam on the back, and this is gonna help me to get a nice straight parting, like very clean, if you know what I mean. And I usually just do one pass with my comb. This way I know that the line has to be straight, you know what I'm saying? When you do more than one parting or one pass, sometimes you don't get it as straight or as neat. Since my hair is super short, there's a lot of things I'm gonna be doing different today than I normally do in, you know, my regular box braid videos. Like you see here, using these alligator clips to hold sections of my hair away so I could work on the back of it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the braid in, and I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how I separate the hair and, you know, all of that stuff, how I actually attach it to my hair. I'm gonna show you guys coming up in the video. I also added a decent amount of jam on my hair just because I want it to be nice and sleek so it will stay in the braiding hair properly, especially since I'm using a different color from my hair. So some of you guys that have been watching me box braid my hair for a very long time, you know that I don't braid my hair all the way to the end when I'm attaching them in or installing them in, or whatever we want to call them today. I usually wait until they're all in, then I go someplace and sit down and finish off the ends, and it works so much easier for me. And again, a lot of people told me that this works so much better for them as well. Actually, I saw somebody on Facebook, I believe, who is offering this service where they plait the hair or install the hair in and plait it down halfway, somewhere halfway, and the client go home and finish it off themselves. And she has a name for it. I forgot what she called it, but yeah, I guess this is a thing now. So for this next one, I'm gonna show you guys how I grip the roots, so pay attention. So first I grab the hair. You could grab all of it, or you could just grab like the first half of it, and then you're gonna be putting your fingers through your natural hair and, you know, distribute the natural hair with the braiding hair as you plait it down. And you're gonna keep doing it like that until you plait it maybe like an inch or two away from your scalp before lowering your arms to grab it from the other angle, which is like lower down under your shoulder. I mean, you'll see how I did it, or you have seen it from the last two that I braid, but yeah, I'm just trying to explain it as best as I possibly can. But since my hair is short, I try to braid it far enough down before, you know, this is what I'm talking about, before I take my arms, both my arms to the other side there, and continue to braid it. When I'm braiding it like this, also I make sure to be mindful to braid it very tight, again because my hair is short, and not only because it's short, but the ends are cut very blunt, are looking very blunt instead of like stretched like all the pre-stretched hair would look, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what I'm trying to explain there. I'm gonna also try my best to let you guys know how much I have in each row. I'm also gonna see if I could count them all and let you guys know by the end of the video how much I have in total. Here I'm showing you guys again in this one how I grip the root of the hair. So like I said, you could grab like the top half or all of it if you want, but as you start plaiting it, you're gonna use the fingers to separate the hair into the braiding hair, and you just keep doing that until you braid the hair say about 2 inches away from the scalp. And that's when you're gonna lower both your arms from the same side and keep braiding it. And this will, one, it will ease the pressure in your arm from holding it up for so long behind your head. And it will also be much easier to braid this way. Honestly, y'all, when I was done braiding my hair, my left shoulder was hurting so bad, and I know it's because I haven't braided my hair in such a long time, so I gotta get used to it again. That's crazy. Also, I was very determined to finish braiding them all in the same day. I think I started around 10:30 or 11, and I was all done around 8 o'clock in the evening. But yes, I took breaks in between, longer breaks than I would want to, but I did. Here I'm showing you guys how much I have in each row so far. So the first row, I have 3. As for the second row, I have 6, and I feel like as I go up, I'm adding 3 more. But yeah, for the third row, I have 9. And the row that comes after this, I'm just gonna tell y'all now, it's gonna be 9 also. Like I said, this row has 9. I'm not gonna be showing any more in the back because from what I recorded, you could barely see what I was doing, so it didn't make any sense putting those clips in there. So because of my head shape, when I'm parting my hair, I kind of part it a little slanted, so the back part where I start would be higher than the part closer to my face, if you know what I mean. When I do it like this, it causes all the rows to be nice and even and very straight. By the time I get to the top, they will all look very much aligned. And here I'm separating the hair. As you can see, I make one side smaller than the other, and then I loop them around each other. I also add some of my gel onto it just to keep the hair together. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my pointing and middle finger in between 2 of the strand of hair and wrap it around. And if you want to see how I did that again, you could just re-watch that part. I believe I have another part coming up doing it again, but I don't remember. So yes, here I am doing it again. So as I said before, you're gonna split the hair with one side bigger than the other, and then I use my pointing and middle finger to go through two pieces of the hair and use the third piece to put in between those fingers, and that's how I did that. I know, it's kind of hard. A lot of people say it's kind of challenging doing it, but you could just use two pieces also if you want to do it that way, and then you separate it into three as you go along, especially if your hair is longer than mine. But there's so many different ways that you could start it, just in case you're having problem doing it like I do it. This is how I've been doing it since I was a kid. This is how I learned to do it, so this is the way I do it. So I'm up to the final row, y'all, and I was so tired by the time I get here. But like I said before, I was determined to finish all of this in the same day. I was not coming back to it another day. So yeah, that's what I did. I finished it off. And that same night, I started doing the ends while I was sitting in my bed watching TV, and that to me was just luxury. Knowing that I don't have to sit in front of the camera or in front of a mirror to finish my hair off. Yeah, when I got done with this final one, I had to like sit there and just take it in for a few seconds because I just couldn't believe that I was finally finished. And I was super tired, but I mean, I could say I was finished, but I wasn't really because I still have to do the ends, but it was a really good feeling getting to that point. Now I'm going to finish off the ends and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. And this is the finished look, you guys. I finished the ends off camera like I said I would. And I absolutely love the way it turns out. And I must let you know that I dip the ends in hot water like I always do. I did not show that on camera, but I did dip the ends in hot water. And that's gonna hold the braids, keep them from, unraveling, and also make it more silky and just falls really nice. So make sure you do that when you do your braids. Another thing I should mention is that usually when I do my braids, I put oil on my scalp and I also add mousse onto it. I did not do that in this video, but if you want to see that, you could check one of my older box braid videos. I'm sure you'll see me doing that at the end of that video. I hope I answered most of y'all questions. I hope this video was helpful. I absolutely love this hairstyle so much. I love the color. For some reason the color looks so pretty. I know I braided the hair so I would part it in the middle. Like that's kind of how I braided, so part it in the middle. But I did the side part because I really like the way it looked with it parted on the side, but it still looks good in the middle. It does. I just like it on the side better. It just looks so I don't even know what to say look like. I just like it better on the side, let's see how it look on this side. Another thing, y'all, it hurts so much. I don't know if it's because I haven't braided my hair in so long or if it's because I did it tight. I don't know, because I feel like I did my hair the same way I always do it, but who knows, maybe my grip game got better, right? But yeah, it is so tight. I can't even put it up in a bun for y'all. Like I would love to, but it hurts so much I wouldn't even dare try. It looks so much better on the side. Don't you think it looks better to the side? I like it better on the side. Whichever side I put it on, I just like it better than have it going down the middle. So let's put it back this way. I like it better this way because I feel like it's staying than when I had it on the other side. But yes, y'all, this is it. I'm not gonna do any kind of styling to it for y'all. I'm just gonna leave it like that because, like I said, it hurts. It hurts so much. So I'm not gonna mess with it too much. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I really like it like this. I hope I covered everything because I don't know. I'm just yapping at this point. I don't know. So if I haven't covered everything, just let me know and I will try my best to do so in my next box braid video. My hair, as you can see, is growing back and I'm excited because I missed my braids so much. I'm gonna be doing braids again, but I can't promise that I'm gonna be doing braids all the time because y'all already know I was complaining about how it was taking out my edges and I needed to give it a break. It wasn't just taking out my edges either, it was taking out other parts of my hair, and I didn't know that until I went to cut my hair very low at a barber shop. The lady said it to me. So I am not gonna go crazy with the braids again. I'm gonna try that too, but I will try to do a detailed tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that. Okay, bye guys. So this is the hair that I use for the style, guys. It's the Ultra Expression M27613. M27613 is the color, you guys, so just keep that in mind. The length is 52 inches. Divide that by 2, that's the correct length to what I usually say. And it's 100% Kalan hair and it's pre-stretched. I absolutely love the color of this hair. It comes with 3 of them in the pack. I started off with 4 packs, but I only used 2 packs to do my hair, so I have 2 left over. I'm actually happy I have 2 left because I really would love to put this hair in my head again. I mean, yes, I'm wearing it right now as we speak, but I love the color so much. I love it. So I would love to do it again. I use this table next to me, guys, and I use it because I wanted to put the thing that holds my hair. I'm sure it has a name, I just don't remember what it's called. I think it's called a braiding rack. Yes, I put this braiding rack on top of it and then I put the hair on it, and this braiding rack holds 60 pieces of hair. And right here I have 2 packs on, not 2 packs, 1 entire pack is on there, so I get 60. Well, it was 62 to be exact. I got from 1 pack, which means for 2 packs I would get 124 maybe if I take it out correctly. Or the same. It could be a little bit higher or lower the number depending on how you take it out, but if you want the same size as me, around 60ish, would be good. So one more important thing, guys, and I get this question a lot: how do I know what size to take out when I'm doing the braids? So since I take them out and have them hanging on the rack and I take them out all together, it makes it easier for me to guess the size, and it makes it easier to get the size more close to each other. So this is how I do it. This is how I guesstimate the size, and it works like a charm. So just take them out all at once and that will work for you.